Hello, everybody. So today we will be setting up mobility print of Papercut. So what is Papercut? Papercut is simple as a piece of software used for print monitoring or print release. It also has some scanning features where it can do OCR and all kinds of nice stuff for printing environment. So the first thing you'll do is you'll open Papercut with localhost 9191/admin on the server, on the Papercut server. And then you'll use your Papercut admin username and password to log in to Papercut. Let's try that again. So once logged in, you'll find that this is your Papercut interface. You'll go to Enable Printing. Now, the Enable Printing is specifically used for accessing your mobility print option. Once open, you'll see there's zones, clients, print queues, and then on top, mobility print. So you'll go to your mobility print option and click Setup Mobility Print, and then you're going to download your mobility print server. You'll select your platform. This is Windows, so we'll select Windows. Once downloaded, we'll go and click on the folder to open the mobility print. We'll go and right click on the actual file, go properties, and unlock it. This is to stop Windows from blocking features of the program. So then we'll double click on the mobility print application and we'll accept the agreement, click next, install, and we'll wait for it to install. It usually doesn't take very long. Okay.